Thank you. Now, I know you guys saw the title. I know you saw the thumbnail and everything says about the same thing, but I just genuinely want to say thank you. Now, I'm going to explain, I'm going to talk more about this and the reasons why, because I like to talk, but it really does come down to, from the bottom of my heart, from this channel and platform, from my entire family to you guys, thank you. This was the best year of my life, easily. Now, I feel like I say that every year because last year was the best year of my life until this one came around, because it's just true. And I hope next year I get to say the same thing and say it's the best year of my life. That doesn't take away anything from this year. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, I just want to reflect today. I just want to go over my gratitude and appreciation for you guys and the things that have been able to happen in my life in this last year, given that it's the holiday season, right? This means a lot to me, and it's not something I'm often great at. I'm unbelievably introspective, and I'm always analyzing myself and figuring out why I'm doing something or why I'm thinking a certain way. I really like to break that down. I watch videos and live streams like I'm a coach and watching game film, and I'm like, I shouldn't have said that. I wish I would have done this differently, and I really break it down. But what I do not do a good job of is stepping back and reflecting on progress. And I think I'm not alone. I bet a lot of you are like me, where every single day we work hard. I put my all into this. I put my all into my family and into this channel, and that's about it, right? And then there's a lot that comes with that, helping people and all that. That's just kind of here. But I just work. I grind. I do so many things that people rarely ever see because I love it, and it's progressing my family and my life. It's just absolutely amazing. But when you do that, when you operate that way, you never stop. You're never like, I'm satisfied. You never do that. You just grind. You go to the next thing, the next thing, the next thing. You're always going bigger. You're always going deeper. But it's very powerful and very effective in a positive way to step back and say, dang, we did it, right? We're here. Let's keep going. But think about a year ago, at least for myself, 2 years ago, to think about where I'm at with the channel, with my family, with my life. I could have only hoped and dreamed of it. But when you hit next levels, right? Let's say it's 50,000 subscribers. Let's say it's going full time. These are things that you really dream of. But when you get there, you're like, heck yeah, let's keep going. I just want to reflect today and again, say thank you. When you guys watch the videos, when you like them, when you comment, when you share, when you get involved on Instagram, when you join my Facebook group, when you see people out at the gas station or at the beard product aisle at the store, that's funny, the beard product section at a store, and you're like, hey, check out Dan C. Bearded. All of those things play a part into growing this channel and enriching my life, which allows me to help more people, which allows us to impact the trajectory of someone's confidence because their facial hair looks better and feels better and smells better. We're literally changing lives here, and I get to see the messages. I get to see the emails of people saying thank you, of people saying, hey, you changed my mental health. You prevented suicide, like unbelievably amazing things. I just want to reflect on that. I hope you guys get to do the same for your personal life. I hope you get to do the same to say, hey, you know what? I did share Dan's channel. I did help him grow. I did help out other people by growing this channel to help them discover it. You deserve that as well. So thank you guys for absolutely everything. This was the best year of my life, but it was probably also the most challenging year of my life at the same time. A lot of you know we're very open on this channel. My wife has had some very, very tough medical and even mental health issues and concerns that have happened in the last year. She had some major thyroid issues. She got diagnosed with Hashimoto's. Her thyroid was like 3 to 4 times the size it should have. There was a large mass and a bunch of small masses on it, and we're still fighting through it. This is by no means like something that is cured and solved, and it's a daily battle. And I learned a lot, right? I didn't really know about thyroids and hormones and all these things and how it affects her physical health, her mental health, how it affects her sleepiness, her mood, and so many other things. You guys reached out and showed support. You guys reached out and offered to be an ear if you need myself to vent, if you need to give advice. All those things came from you guys and really helped our family. Now, again, it's not easy. We're still going through it. We have, just like any other family, my son had digestive issues. We had to go see a special doctor. We have all these different things going on. Challenging, but we're good. right? We're here. We are happy. We are helping people. We are together. We've really prioritized what matters the most in our life. And a new venture for us, the Catching Up with the Commands podcast, linked in every description, totally free on all podcast platforms, has brought my wife and I even closer. We have an unbelievable relationship. I do think it's pretty special, pretty unique, but we love doing the podcast together. Sam's like the producer, the writer. We work together. I do the audio, the uploading, and we just come together, and it's just worked out great. And the feedback you guys have given has absolutely driven us. 12 Days of Beardsmith just concluded. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved it. Now, every year it's a big task, right? I'm like, I enjoy this, but oh man, there's a lot to this. This year, I really had I don't even know, like an invigoration of like passion for it. I don't know if it came through or if you guys felt it. I am very proud of the previous years. But something about this year, I don't know if it's because I've been away from teaching history and it was like I got a chance to do it. It just felt special. It just felt right. I love the stories. I love the companies. I love the comments. It was just an amazing year for that series. I felt like the content on this last 12 months on the channel has been the best ever. Now, I'm biased, of course, but I do think we've had the most purposeful content, the most helpful content. When new information comes in, I updated and I wasn't afraid to say, hey, I've changed. Hey, I was wrong. Hey, I've adjusted. All in the name of trying to help people, and you guys responded greatly. I made a lot of these adjustments because of feedback from you guys. I could go on and on and on and on. I just want to say thank you. I didn't want to put out a post. I wanted you guys to see me. I wanted you to hear me. I wanted you to feel this. I absolutely love everything about this community. I would never let anything negative shine onto what we have here because it's so special. Let's make sure we keep pushing to make other people's day better every single day. Let's keep pushing positivity because what you put out there has a way of finding you. What you consume has a way of becoming you. All those things are just things to consider. I'm not going to try and get up here and be on my soapbox or anything, even though I like doing that from time to time. I just want to say I appreciate you. I am grateful. I cannot wait for 2024. And if you guys ever need anything, please reach out. My contact information's in the description. If you've had family health concerns and you just want someone to talk to, reach out to me. If you're having mental health issues, reach out to me. If you just like talking to me, reach out to me, you guys. I'm always open and I welcome that and I take that very seriously. So thank you guys one more time. From the Command family, from myself, Dancy Bearded, please stay bearded and stay positive.